back to the channel. It's Thursday, it's after work. I decided to work on the Jeep a little bit tonight. I was having an issue when I first got it of my the sprayer nozzles for my windshield washer fluid not firing really far, and I was like, man, that's kind of weird, and I just thought it might have been like out of fluid or something, but it turns out that and I'll show you that on the Jeep SRT8, because it gets so hot, which is what I'm noticing on a lot of things, that they break. So if you can see right here, the little nozzle where the fluid comes in is broken, and so the line was just like dangling underneath the heat shield for the hood, just like this, and just spraying all down inside the engine bay and everything. So it's really simple to get these out. So I thought I'd do a quick little video of it. As you can see, what holds this shielding up are these little black clip-ins. So you just need to pop them out. I use one of these things to do it. You just got to get in there and do a little force and pop them out. And then when you get access to the nozzle itself, you need to take a set of these vice grips, or these pliers I mean, and you need to press in like this on the edges of it slightly and then pop it up. And you gotta do it on both sides, and it takes like a second or two, but you'll get it. I'm actually going to be replacing them with some new ones that I ordered off eBay. And I ordered, was it Jeep Wrangler? Doesn't really say what it was, but can't remember if it was Jeep Wrangler or Rubicon or something, but it was like in the same year, so like I think it was like 05 to 10 or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna just be replacing these, and I thought I'd make a quick little video of it. So yeah, again, you just got to pop all the black clips out, just pull back the shielding to reveal the nozzle, and then just pop the nozzle out. Super easy, super easy. All right, I'll show you guys. Show you me installing one of them. So I'm gonna pull this back here. Hopefully you guys got a good view. So I found the hole from the top, and I'm gonna put it down right there. Popped in, secured, ready to go. And now I'm just going to put my line back on. Oh, hold on, let me switch hands. Not wanting to go. I wonder if it broke off in it. Can't really tell. Alright, technical difficulties. I got in both nozzles. I'm going to do a test hit, but real quick, what I noticed is that the rubber boots that go on the nipple of the nozzles had the pieces of the old ones broken off into them. So I had to get like a little pick and pop them out. So again, it's plastic, it's super hot in this engine bay. I'm assuming they got brittle and something somehow broke them off, and that's why I wasn't having good fluid. So let's go ahead and see how it does now. All right, spray time. Ooh, much better. Look at that. Last time I wasn't even getting like 5 inches out of this one, and then this one over here wasn't even shooting at all, like nothing. So much better. Looks like that one's still kind of but I'll take it. It is what it is. Alright guys, that's how you replace the nozzles on an SRT8 Jeep, or I guess any Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.